Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Polo Life Plus 1.0 Tessie. This hatchback is a powerhouse with 95 horsepower and a sleek grey exterior. The 1-litre engine runs on petrol with manual transmission for an exhilarating drive. Inside, you'll find top-notch comfort and convenience features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and a multifunction display. Safety is a priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. With luxury trim, interior cup holders, and a chrome package, the Polo Life Plus is as stylish as it is secure. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with an anti-corrosion warranty and energy recuperation technology. This vehicle has undergone a full, multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information on this amazing Polo Life Plus.